Get ready, because the tech world is absolutely buzzing, and we've got the inside scoop on what's making waves. From the titans of industry inching closer to a monumental $3 trillion valuation, to critical infrastructure expanding its global reach, and even a game-changing move into a brand new market, the pace of innovation is relentless. Plus, we're diving into how your everyday online shopping habits might be on the verge of a major shift. This is Amazon Insights, and you're about to get the unmissable updates that are shaping tomorrow today. Let's jump right in. First up, the financial forecast for the tech giants is looking explosive. We're talking about the possibility of new companies joining the elite $3 trillion club. Find out which of the biggest names in tech are on the fast track to reaching this incredible milestone and what's driving their sky-high valuations. Next, we're going global with some major infrastructure news. Discover how a key player is expanding its reach, bringing cutting-edge technology and connectivity to a whole new region. This move is set to revolutionize how businesses and individuals access digital services, promising lower latency and enhanced capabilities. And in a move that could redefine online retail, we're exploring a significant expansion into a completely new sector. Get the details on how your favorite online marketplace is branching out, making it easier than ever to access a wider range of goods and services. Don't miss these essential updates. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat. The next trillion-dollar giants emerge. The financial landscape of the tech world is undergoing a seismic shift, with the $3 trillion valuation mark becoming the new frontier for corporate giants. While Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia have already claimed their spots in this exclusive club, the race is far from over. Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta platforms are now aggressively vying for a seat at the table, showcasing remarkable growth fueled by AI, cloud computing, and groundbreaking technological advancements. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, appears poised to be the next entrant into the $3 trillion club, requiring only a modest 20% increase from its current valuation. This trajectory is largely propelled by the stellar performance of Google Cloud, which saw a remarkable 32% year-over-year growth in Q2 2025, a testament to the soaring demand for AI-driven products and services. From AI-powered search summaries to the innovative Veo text-to-video platform, artificial intelligence is deeply integrated into Alphabet's core strategy. Coupled with the long-term potential of Waymo's leadership in robotaxis, Alphabet's growth runway seems virtually inexhaustible, with projections suggesting its market capitalization could surpass $3 trillion by the end of the decade. Amazon is a close contender, with its own ambitious climb towards the $3 trillion valuation. The bedrock of its growth remains Amazon Web Services, AWS, the dominant force in cloud services. Despite a more measured growth rate compared to some competitors, AWS's consistent expansion and profitability continue to be a major growth driver. Beyond cloud dominance, Amazon's e-commerce division continues its double-digit growth, reaffirming its enduring reign in online retail. The company's diversified portfolio, including its burgeoning advertising business, Project Kuiper's satellite internet initiative, and Zoox's autonomous vehicle ventures, provides a robust arsenal for its next trillion-dollar leap. Meta Platforms, while currently valued around $1.9 trillion, is demonstrating a rapidly evolving growth narrative. Its core advertising business remains robust, with AI enhancements significantly boosting engagement and revenue. Furthermore, Meta's foray into wearable AI technology, exemplified by the initial sales success of its Ray-Ban and Oakley Meta AI glasses, signals a potentially transformative opportunity in human-computer interaction. Mark Zuckerberg's long-term AI investments position Meta as a high-risk, high-reward player, capable of venturing into entirely new technological territories. While Alphabet and Amazon might reach the $3 trillion milestone sooner, Meta's disruptive potential makes it a formidable underdog. These tech behemoths represent distinct flavors of technological supremacy. Alphabet is the steady innovator, leveraging AI-powered cloud expansion and autonomous driving for sustained growth. Amazon exemplifies diversification, integrating cloud services, e-commerce, and ambitious projects like satellite internet into a formidable business model. Meta, the bold risk-taker, is doubling down on cutting-edge AI and experimental initiatives that could either redefine technology or falter. If Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia ushered in the first era of $3 trillion valuations, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta are set to define the second. The true measure of success, however, will be their ability to sustain innovation and leadership long after the milestone is achieved. But what happens when the $3 trillion club becomes less exclusive? We're also tracking a major infrastructure expansion that could change the game for a whole continent. Oz Asia-Pacific, New Zealand, region is now live. In a landmark development for the digital infrastructure of New Zealand, Amazon Web Services, AWS, has officially announced the general availability of its new Asia-Pacific, New Zealand, region. This significant expansion, comprising 3 availability zones and designated by the API name App Southeast 6, marks a pivotal moment for Kiwi businesses and developers, enabling them to operate workloads and store data securely within New Zealand while delivering significantly lower latency to end users across the region. The establishment of this new AWS region represents a substantial investment, with Amazon projecting an injection of $7.5 billion into New Zealand's economy. This investment is anticipated to contribute approximately $10.8 billion to the nation's gross domestic product, GDP, over the long term, and is expected to foster the creation of around 1,000 new jobs annually. This expansion is designed to empower organizations of all sizes, from agile startups to established enterprises, to accelerate their innovation and scale their operations by leveraging AWS's secure and resilient global infrastructure. Oz has been steadily building its presence in New Zealand since opening its first office in 2013. This new region is the culmination of years of strategic infrastructure development, including enhancing connectivity to the global AWS network through high-capacity subsea cable connections in 2016, adding Amazon CloudFront Edge locations in Auckland in 2020, and introducing an AWS local zone in Auckland in 2023 to support single-digit millisecond latency applications. Furthermore, the addition of a new AWS Direct Connect location in Auckland alongside the existing one will provide customers with secure, dedicated network connections, reducing networking costs and improving application performance. This launch is particularly significant for the New Zealand government's cloud-first policy, aiming to bolster cloud adoption across the public sector. Oz supports a comprehensive suite of 143 security standards and compliance certifications, including PCI DSS, HIPAA, FedRAMP, GDPR, and FIPS 143, ensuring that customers can meet stringent global compliance requirements. Organizations like MATTR, a New Zealand-based digital trust services provider, have expressed strong enthusiasm for the new region, anticipating significant benefits for their operations. Furthermore, the new region is set to accelerate AI innovation within New Zealand. Oz offers a robust portfolio of generative AI capabilities, including Amazon Bedrock for accessing a variety of large language models and Amazon Q, an AI assistant designed to enhance productivity. New Zealand companies like Thematic, a leader in customer intelligence, are already leveraging AWS generative AI services, with their CTO noting the superior performance of AWS-offered LLMs. Amazon's commitment extends to building cloud skills within New Zealand. Since signing a memorandum of understanding with the government in 2022, Amazon has already trained over 50,000 Kiwis, progressing towards its goal of 100,000. Through programs like AWS Academy and AWS Skills Builder, the company is fostering local talent development to meet the growing demand for cloud expertise. Companies like Xero, a global small business platform, have lauded AWS's investment, seeing it as a significant boost for New Zealand tech exporters. Sustainability is also a core focus, with the AWS New Zealand region powered by renewable energy from day one through an agreement with Mercury New Zealand, aligning with Amazon's commitment to net zero carbon by 2040. This initiative supports New Zealand's sustainability goals and enables companies like Sharesys, a wealth development platform, to utilize renewable energy for their operations. The growing AWS Partner Network, APN, and the vibrant AWS community in New Zealand, including AWS Heroes and user groups, are poised to further support local businesses in harnessing the power of the cloud. This major infrastructure expansion is a huge win for New Zealand's digital future. But is your online shopping experience about to get a whole lot bigger, literally? Amazon launches New Zealand AWS region, bolstering digital infrastructure. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has officially opened its new Asia Pacific, New Zealand region, a significant expansion that promises to enhance cloud services for businesses and government organizations across the country. This strategic move involves an investment of over NZ$7.5 billion and is projected to support an average of more than 1,000 full-time equivalent jobs annually, contributing an estimated NZ$10.8 billion to New Zealand's gross domestic product, GDP. The new region aims to provide customers with greater choice for running their applications and securely storing data within New Zealand, while simultaneously enabling them to serve end users with reduced latency. Prasad Kalyanaraman, Vice President of Infrastructure Services at Oz, highlighted the region's role in meeting the burgeoning demand for cloud services and accelerating digital transformation. He emphasized that the launch allows businesses to leverage advanced Oz technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, while adhering to local data residency requirements. This investment is seen as a crucial step in supporting New Zealand's economic growth, fostering innovation, and positioning the nation as a key technology hub within the Asia Pacific. Graham Muller, CEO of NZ Tech, echoed this sentiment, describing the AWS region launch as an exciting moment that will bolster digital infrastructure and skills. He noted that Amazon's commitment to digital skills development could significantly propel New Zealand's technology businesses and create highly skilled jobs across various sectors, from agriculture to finance and government. This expansion is expected to empower organizations of all sizes to innovate and scale more effectively. The AWS Asia Pacific, New Zealand region comprises multiple availability zones, strategically located in distinct geographic areas to ensure business continuity and high availability for applications. These zones are designed with independent power, cooling, and security, interconnected by ultra-low latency networks. This architecture allows customers to build fault-tolerant applications by distributing workloads across multiple availability zones. Oz continues to prioritize energy efficiency in its data centers, employing optimized designs, purpose-built chips, and innovative cooling technologies. Accenture reports indicate that Oz infrastructure is up to 4.1 times more efficient than on-premises solutions, with optimized workloads potentially reducing carbon footprints by up to 99%. The New Zealand region operates on renewable energy from day one, through an agreement with Mercury New Zealand, underscoring Amazon's commitment to the climate pledge and reaching net zero carbon by 2040. Customers in New Zealand, including prominent organizations such as AMP New Zealand, Kiwibank, New Zealand Post, One New Zealand, TVNZ, and Xero, will benefit from the ability to store data locally, reduce latency, and serve demand across the Asia Pacific. The launch reinforces AWS's global infrastructure, which now spans 120 availability zones within 38 geographic regions worldwide, with further expansion plans announced for new regions in Saudi Arabia, Chile, and a European sovereign cloud. Oz offers a vast array of over 240 fully featured services, supporting a wide spectrum of workloads from compute and storage to advanced AI and machine learning. This comprehensive suite empowers businesses to drive innovation, optimize costs, and accelerate their digital transformation journeys. The expansion into New Zealand signifies AWS's commitment to empowering local economies and fostering technological advancement on a global scale. This significant investment marks a new era for cloud computing in New Zealand. But could your next car purchase be just a click away on your favorite online shopping platform? Amazon Autos expands reach, listing Hyundai and Hertz vehicles. Amazon is making a significant foray into the automotive market with the expansion of its Amazon Autos platform, now featuring listings from Hyundai dealerships and used vehicles from Hertz Car Rental. This move signals Amazon's ambition to offer a comprehensive A to Z inventory, extending its e-commerce dominance into the complex world of car sales. The platform aims to streamline the car buying process, allowing customers to browse, compare, and even initiate purchases of vehicles online. Currently, Hyundai dealerships in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and Stevenson Hyundai in Frederick, Colorado, are participating, with their entire vehicle inventories listed on Amazon Autos. The platform provides detailed information, including interior colors, mileage, fuel type, towing capacity, and driver assist features. Crucially, it displays dealer fees and out-the-door prices, offering transparency often lacking in traditional car sales. Customers can also schedule test drives at the dealership before finalizing their purchase. Hertz has also begun listing its used vehicles in major metropolitan areas like Dallas, Los Angeles, and Seattle, further broadening the platform's appeal. Customer reception to this new venture is mixed. Carrie McClanahan, a car shopper, while finding the platform kind of cool, remained skeptical about its impact on her buying habits, emphasizing that value and finding the right car within her budget remain paramount. Similarly, James Chakin expressed a preference for the tangible experience of test driving and physically inspecting a vehicle before negotiation, questioning the sufficiency of online-only interactions. Both shoppers highlighted the importance of securing the best possible deal, including trade-in values and final prices. Automotive industry professionals also have reservations. Dallas Tyrrell, manager at Tyrrell Chevrolet in Cheyenne, noted that while the platform offers new possibilities, selling cars in Wyoming requires a brick-and-mortar presence and service department, a factor he finds interesting in relation to online-only models. He specifically questioned the efficacy of online platforms for used cars, where kicking the tires and assessing a vehicle's condition is crucial. Tyrrell cited the struggles of companies like Carvana as a cautionary tale for online used car sales, pointing to issues with registration delays and missing paperwork that have led to significant penalties in some states. He also questioned what Amazon Autos offers that existing platforms like Carscom, CarGurus, and AutoTrader do not. Brandy Bryant, a Hyundai sales manager, shared similar sentiments, noting a lack of customer inquiries about the platform initially. While she sees it as another option for streamlining the buying experience, especially for customers who know exactly what they want, she stressed the importance of the in-person interaction and personal touch in car sales. The process for trade-ins involves a video walkthrough of the customer's current vehicle, with Amazon making an offer that Hyundai can either match or pass on to Amazon for purchase. Hertz's inclusion of used cars is viewed with a degree of optimism due to their reputation for well-maintained rental fleets, typically with controlled mileage. However, the fundamental question of whether customers will embrace online-only purchasing, especially for used vehicles where a test drive is often considered essential, remains unanswered. The success of Amazon Autos may ultimately depend on its ability to integrate the convenience of online browsing with the trust and tactile experience buyers expect when making a significant purchase like a vehicle. While Amazon expands its retail empire into the automotive sector, the digital world is buzzing with other major developments. Stay with us as we bring you the latest on tech valuations and global infrastructure. That's all the insights we have for you today. We saw tech giants racing towards a $3 trillion valuation, Oz expanding its global footprint with a new region in New Zealand, and Amazon Autos driving into the car sales market. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Amazon Insights, hit that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social media channels for more updates.